Hello class 6, welcome to the maths class again. In our last class, we have known some about the numbers, right? So today we are going to compare some of the big numbers. Like I have taken 3 numbers. See, now while doing the comparison, what you have to do, this is the easiest way to compare some numbers when those are bigger ones especially. You put them in the place chart. Okay, so we are going to put these numbers in the place value chart first. So I am taking this number and placing them. Okay, so 8, 7, 3, 4. So this is 4,378. And then the second one, 5, 0, 8, 4 and 6. So this is 64,805. And then the next one, 5, 8, 3, 4, 6. Now in the last class I have already told you that when we are placing some bigger numbers in the place value chart, we are following the right hand side to the left hand side manner, right? So in this manner I have just put them to compare. Okay, now from this chart this is evident that 4,378 is the smallest of all. So we are going to write it down. So 4,378 is the smallest number. Now while finding out the greatest one, when you are getting this kind of numbers, these are confusing. So what you have to do, you have to tally. We are going to follow the left hand side to the right hand side manner. Now what is that? When we are tallying both the numbers, see both of these in the 10,000 place, both are containing 6. Now this is nullified. Then in the 1,000 place, both are containing 4. But in the 100 place, watch it out. The first one is containing 8 while the last one is containing 3. So from here the determining factor comes that the first one is the greatest one among all these 3. Okay, especially among these 2. So from here we are going to write it down. 64,805 is the greatest one. Now we have to arrange them according to the number system or the place value chart. So it is of 2 types, ascending and descending number. Now these 2 orders are very confusing. Maximum of us gets confused very fast. So for that, let's know one trick. Okay, we all have seen or know how to draw hills, right? So let's say this is a hill. Okay, now suppose you are riding a bike or a bicycle. No, so in the alphabetical order, A comes first before D, right? So I have placed A in the first part of the hill and D in the latter part of the hill. Now when we are going up, what we say, we are ascending. So we are going low to high. So this denotes for the ascending order. So in this series, when we are determining which is the ascending order, so we are going to write it in the manner of from the smallest one to the greatest one, right? So let me erase this part. Here I am going to write 4, 3, 7, 8 first. Then from that, who is the bigger one? This is the bigger one. 64,385. Then the biggest or greatest one is the 64,805. Now descending order is the exact opposite one of the ascending order. So when we are going top to down, that is the descending order. So from there, 64,805 is the greatest one. Then comes 64,385 and then the smallest one 4,378. Now this is how we compare the numbers we find the greatest, smallest, and the ascending order, descending order. Okay, so I think we are clear about this. So I'm going to attach the assignment of yours. Do it and let me know if you are having any problem. I will clear that out. So this is it for this class. See you in the next session. Thank you.